everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be recording a Valentine's Day look. It's very sultry, glam as well, a lot different from my other looks because we're using glitter today. Colourpop had sent me some of their new stuff, so I'm really excited to try them out. So yeah, let's just get started. And I'm gonna go in with my Fourth Ray Beauty Rose Face Milk. This is such a nice serum that gives it a really nice glow. I'm going to do my eyes first because it's quite a heavy look that I really want to get my eyes done, so there's a nice clean base, especially when you're working with glitter. It's just so there's not a lot of fallout and it doesn't get messy and ruin your base of, you know, your foundation and stuff. I'm just going to add some of my Tarte concealer as a base for the eyeshadow. And then I'm just going to set it with my Fenty banana powder. So I'm going to go in with my Colourpop All That palette. These shades are beautiful. Go in with the shade Wink Wink, just for my crease. I'm just going to go in and define my crease a little bit more with the shade Silhouettes. I'm going to go in with the shade Please Me, and I'm just going to add it into the corners of my eyes. Now I'm just going to darken that shadow a little bit more and go in with the Feels, which is like a blackish shade with a bit of glitter. And I'm just going to go back in with Silhouette and just add a transition shade and really soften out that black so it's not so harsh. Once that's done, I'm going to go in with the shade Fishnets and add it into the centre of my eyelids. In with Please Me. And then the Feels. Then I'm going to add Fishnets again in the centre. And for the inner corners of my eyes, I'm just going to add Risque. And now I'm going to go in with V-Line from MAC. And I'm going to use this in the waterline. I'm just going to add a bit of mascara to my lower and upper lashes. And now I'm going to add the glitter to the center just to enhance the gold and really make it stand out. And the shade I'm going in with is That's Hot from Colourpop. Scoop a little off. This is nice because it's like, it has a gel-like consistent texture, so you know it's just going to sit on your eyes really well and not budge. And I'm going to go in with the eyeliner. This eyeliner is crazy. It is so black and it lasts the whole day and it doesn't budge. Now that the liner is done, I'm going to add some lashes. Now that the glue is drying on the lashes, I'm just going to go in and wipe any fallout from underneath my eyes and just tidy up just my under eye bit. I'm going to quickly do my brows, and my brows I'm going in with Cabral from Benefit. Sorry guys, I had to move everything over because the sun was just too harsh and in my face. Now that the eye makeup's done, I've done my brows as well. I'm gonna go ahead and do my base. It is gonna be sort of a heavy coverage-ish base. Going in with my NARS Sheer Glow in the shade Tahoe. Now I'm going to go in with my Tarte concealer and just add a bit underneath. Now that that's done, I'm just going to set everything with my face powder. It's my Mineralize. I'm just going to contour with my NARS Gienah palette. For my nose, I'm going to go in with the lighter shade. Now to set my under eyes, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Banana Powder. Just going to get a flat brush and press it in. Now I'm going to go in with a tinted lip crayon, but I'm going to use this on my cheeks as well to give a more natural glowy flush, if that makes sense. This is in the shade The Strand from Colourpop. Now I'm going to add the highlighter, and the shade that I'm going to go back in is from the All That palette, and the shade is called Risque. So pretty. And for the lips, I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite lip liner, Cork from MAC. I'm gonna go in with another shade from the Just It Tint Colourpop, and the shade is Gimme Small. Last up, I'm going to set my skin with the Fourth Row Beauty Mellow Milk Mist. This is the finished look. It's really seductive. Exactly what I wanted to do for Valentine's Day, especially if you guys are going out or anything. This is perfect. I hope you guys like the tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe, and yeah. Bye.